everyone, I'm Jack. Today I'm going to talk to you about airplanes. Question 1. What are airplanes? Airplanes are flying things that hover in the are things that fly in the sky. When was the first plane invented? It was invented in 1978 by the twin brothers. How does an airplane fly? The airplane fly by an airplane can fly high to the stratosphere. What happens to your body on an airplane? Our body can grow big and small to the lower air. Why can't you use phones on planes? We cannot use phones on planes because phones radiate the signal of the airplane, which makes the plane weaker, and when they cannot do that, they make a stronger signal, which can lead airplane crashes. Why do airplane wings wobble? Airplanes wobble because airplane wings can fly. When the force is pushing the plane up and down, the net force is 0. But when the force in a cloud or something, which makes the bottom force push it up, which results in the wings bending down, and then when they escape it go up, which makes it wobble. Why do airplane windows have teeny tiny tootsie holes? Because the tiny holes in the airplane makes it fly up. When the outside atmosphere has less air, the air inside the holes will take the air and put it in the middle of the glasses, which also makes the atmosphere compared equal to the outside. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Thank you.